Hi all, today we'll be learning about the Napier strip multiplication. What is it? Now a multiplication you might have known. Now I'm going to use a Napier strip and I'm going to show how to do a multiplication. So first let me explain 32 into 16. Now the multiplicand is 32 and the multiplier is 16. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a square. Now because in multiplicand we have two digits, so I am dividing the square into two parts and writing the 3 tens digit over here and 1's digit over here. Now you have in multiplier place also two digits, so divide this into two parts again. So 1 and 6. Yes. Now what you have to do is divide this square, draw the diagonal line for the squares, for the smaller squares. Yes. So the first step you are going to do is draw the box, place the multiplier and the multiplicand, and then draw a diagonal line. Now multiply accordingly. Now, so first I am going to take 1, 2 is 2. So you know that 2. So it is in 1's place and here you don't have any digit over here. So I am going to take a 0. So 2 can be written as 0, 2. So in the same way, so this above 1 is 10's place and the below 1 is 1's place. Now 1 3's. So 1 3's is again 3. So I have only 1's digit. I don't have any 10's digit. So I am going to write it as 0, 3. So 0, 3. Now take the second digit and multiply with 2. 6 2's is 12. So already you have two digits. So no problem. The above one is 10's digit and the below one is the 1's digit. Now 6 3's is 18. So again you have two digits. So directly you can write 1 is 10's place and 8 in 1's place. Now what you have to do is, now this is 1's place. This entirely this is 1's. So this comes under tens, this comes under 100, this will be 1000. Now according to the diagonal wise add them up. So here you have 2, now here 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. So you are going to write 1 here and 1 is carried over to the hundreds place. Now 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. And here you don't have any number, it is just 0. So let's write. So 32 into 16, the product is 0512. So that is nothing but 512. So let's check the answer by doing normal multiplication. So 32 into 16. So how you are going to do? You can do directly 16 to 32. But because I have taken the answers in two ways, so let me compare like this. 6 2's is 12, 6 3's is 18, 18 plus 1 is 19. Because you are taking a tens digit, so you have to close the 1's digit place because you are going to the next digit. So 1 2's is 2, 1 3's is 3. Now add them up. 2, 9 plus 2 is 11. Now 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So check it out whether you got the same answer. Yes. So this is another way of doing multiplication and this is very easy compared to this. So now let's move on to the 3-digit number. So in the same way, let us do the 3-digit multiplication. So 356 into 125. Now here multiplicand have 3 digits and in multiplier also have 3 digits. So you have to take a 3 into 3 square. So I am going to divide this square into 3 into 3. Yes, because I have taken 3 digits in both the way. So write down, this is hundreds digit, tens, ones. In In the same way, just write down 1, 2, 5 and you have to draw a diagonal line cutting the square. Yes. Now, what you have to do? Same way, first start multiplying with 1. 1, 6 is 6. So, you need to take 2 digits. So, 6 can be written as 0, 6. So, write down above 0 and 6. 1, 5 is 5. So, write down 0, 5. Yes. In the same way, 1, 3 is 3. 0, 3. Yes. Now, next one. 6, 2, 6 is 12. So, 1 is above and 2 is down. Now, 2, 5 is 10. So, 1 at the above and 0 at the below. 3, 2 is 6. Again, you have to take 0 and 6. Now, next move on to the next one. 5, 6 is 30. So, 3 in the above, 0 in the below. Now, 5, 5 is 25. 25. So, 2, 5. 5, 3 is 15. 1, 5. Yes. So, now the third part you have to just add up and write. So, this is ones place. This is tens. This is 100. This is 1000. 10,000. And this will be lakh. Now, just add up and write down. So, this is 0. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So, 0 here and 1 is carried to the hundreds place. So, 6 ones is 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 1 is carried over to the thousands place. Now, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So, 4 over here and 1 is carried over to the 10,000s place. Now, here you have 2 zeros. So, 0 plus any number is the same number. So, 3 plus 1 is 4. So, the answer after multiplication we got it as 356 into 125, that is equal to, write down accordingly. Here you have 0, take down 0. So, 0, 4, 4, 5, 0, 0. Now, because 0 is in the front, so that can be neglected, and the answer we got it as 44,500. We can check this by using a normal multiplication. So, 356 into 125. Yes. So, now you know this process. Take the first digit and multiply. 5, 6 is 30. 5, 5 is 25 plus 3 is 28. 5, 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. Now the second digit you are taking, so first digit should be closed. Now 2, 6 is 12. 2, 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 2, 3 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Now you are going to take the hundreds digit. So the ones place and the tens place should be closed. Now 1, 6 is 6. 1, 5 is 5. 1, 3 is 3. Now add them up. 0. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 1 is carried over. Now 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. So 1 is carried over. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 is carried over. Now 3 plus 1 is 14. So 1, 2, 3 common. So you can compare like this and see whether you have the same answer. Yes, here the answer is 44,500. Here also we got the same answer. But only thing is, the process is different and this is easy compared to this. And this is a different method. So whenever you sit along with your friends, you can challenge your friends by saying that who will do the faster, or this can be accurately done if you concentrate just by drawing the lines. So the main part is see the number, draw the square accordingly, and the second one is while drawing the diagonal you should be careful. That's all. Yes, I hope you have understood the Napier strip multiplication. Hope you have enjoyed this method. Thank you for watching.